Hi guys, this is Hamza again, DevOps engineer at DevOps. I got expertise in Linux, cloud computing, and DevOps implementation. Today we are going to learn how to enable SSH on Windows Server. To perform this task, there are some prerequisites. You need a Windows Server, Ubuntu Server with administrator privileges. It can be on any cloud platform like AWS, Azure, and etc. First, let me RDP on Windows Server with the administrator account and run PowerShell from the administrator account. Then we will check if OpenSSH Server is installed or not. If the OpenSSH Server is not installed, then we will install it by using this command. And remember, it will take some time to install. After the installation, we will start the OpenSSH Server service by using this command. After service started, we will add a firewall rule where we will allow port 22 to connect a TCP connection from anywhere. And remember to allow port 22 on your security group on AWS platform or any other platform you are using. Now we have completed the SSH setup on Windows. Now we will try to SSH from Linux to Windows. By using this command, you can SSH Linux to Windows.